After closing the water tap, unscrew the inlet hose connector from the appliance. Be aware of remaining water in the hose. In case you are not able to remove the inlet filter by hand, you can use pliers. Use a soft cleaning brush to remove the dirt from the filter. You may also use warm tap water to remove any remaining residue. Make sure you put back the filter correctly. Now screw back the inlet hose connector on the water supply of the appliance and don't forget to open the water tap again. You're all done now.
Dragon Electronics, a lifetime experience.
60 ans, toujours à votre service.